Hello dear traders, you're watching Financial Calendar on Insta TV with me, Anna Kasatkina. At the end of the current week, markets will keep an eye on the following macroeconomic releases. On Thursday, the IFO Institute for Economic Research will report on German business sentiment. Forecasts suppose a rise in the corresponding indicator to 108.5. In July, the IFO Business Climate Indicator dropped to 108.3 from 108.7 in June. Analysts had anticipated a score of 107.1. German companies get more and more disappointed about their current positions and negatively comment on their prospects. The IFO Expectations Index declined to 102.2 in July from 103.1. The Business Morale Indicator for the manufacturing sector crashed to the lowest level since July 2013. Falling IFO indicators in the largest European economy point to a weak start of the third quarter in the country. On Thursday as well, the United States will publish its data on durable goods orders for July. The orders are expected to add 3.5% in comparison with the preceding month. In June, orders for long-lasting manufactured goods declined by 4% compared to May. It was the largest fall in 2 years. Economies had projected a 1.7% decrease in orders in the given period. Durable goods orders excluding transportation edged down by 0.5% in June. Meanwhile, new orders for manufactured capital goods rose by 0.25% after a 2-month tumble. On Friday, the United States will release revised data on its gross domestic product for the second quarter. According to forecasts, GDP growth will be corrected to 1.1% on a quarterly basis. According to the latest estimate, the U.S. economy expanded by 1.2% in the June quarter. In the first quarter of 2016, the U.S. GDP grew by 0.8% quarter-on-quarter. The International Monetary Fund slashed its economic growth forecast for the U.S. to 2.2% in 2016. The IMF said that the outlook was downgraded due to the weaker energy sector, surging greenback, and unstable economic situation in other countries. In addition to these events, on Thursday, the U.S. will unveil its unemployment claims statistics and the Jackson Hole Symposium will kick off. On Friday, Japan will reveal its inflation data. The United Kingdom will release the revised report on its economic growth in the second quarter. The University of Michigan will provide the final estimate of the U.S. consumer sentiment. And Federal Reserve Chairperson Janet Yellen will deliver a speech in Jackson Hole. And this concludes the calendar of the latest financial events on Insta TV. Thank you and goodbye.